So today we are waiting for the winds to come through. So if you look at this, it's so shit today. Now this afternoon it's supposed to be 120 km winds. Let's see if we survive it. Wonder how that's gonna go. Very interesting. Right now it's pretty calm. Getting gusty, but it's just gust and rain, and that's about it. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm still trying to interpret symbolism and art over here. It's terrible. Alright, so we're about 2 hours off of this wind warning. As you can see, the trees are already blowing. Alright. We're just gonna walk around and see if there's anything that can get turned into missiles. Well, it's fucking free. Plenty of shit. I believe that's what's known as boogie weather. It's raining while the sun is out. Got about an hour to 2 hours before this warning kicks in for the heavy winds. This could be interesting. Weather, guys. The harbour bridge has been closed completely on red alert. So the winds up there must be pretty fucking strong. How you doing, Auckland? Huh? Have fun getting back from work. Yeah, that's what happens when you live in the city. Y'all suck. I'll cook this feed and see what this wind does. This is cool. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Look, muscle boy. So we're now on the wind warning stage apparently. It's past 3, I think. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Yeah. Right. That's past the wind warning stage. And the weather's still pretty good. So, over there, go that way. That's all Auckland. As you can imagine. Fucking fucked, mate. Just fucked. All kinds of fucked. Yeah, that's Auckland, and they are getting whipped. It's supposed to be over here already. The wind's just started picking up now. So, yeah. It's gonna be an interesting afternoon now. We're now officially in the wind warning. But, it's not 120 km winds. Yet. We'll check in again soon, eh? So as you can hear, the wind's here, but it's late. 2 hours late to be precise. The rain on the other hand. Yeah, so it seems that the weather's picked up quite a bit. We still have a roof for now. Not so much rain, just wind, heavy wind. Anyway, it's almost taken our power out a few times. Why is this in there? I walked in here and I thought I could smell like disinfectant spray, which is really strange. I don't smell that ever. That was weird. Anyway, I don't know. So yeah, wind warning. How long is this meant to last for? 2 years. Till midnight. Oh, great. Yeah, until midnight. So it was from 3 o'clock to midnight. The wind didn't pick up till at least 5. But yeah, I will update you guys in the morning on how much damage this did. I'm gonna go heat up some popcorn, put on Harry Potter, and go sit in bed. Hopefully the power doesn't blow up. Alright? Yeah. Yes, I'm so glad I'm not doing the paper run tonight. That would piss me off. Fuck this. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. Sorry for the shit vlog today, but it's what it is. Ciao.